It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the news from the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. Right, a lot to get through this week, so let's dive straight into it. And our friends at HMRC have made good on the promise of providing promotional material for their Making Tax Digital for Income Tax regime in the form of an agent toolkit. What's in the agent toolkit? Well, we've got an overview of what's changing and links to the guidance, which I think we've had in other places before. So let's keep scrolling. How accountants and bookkeepers can get ready. A bit about the purpose of it and the testing. The software page, penalty reform, and some frequently asked questions. Let's hope they've answered them better than the ones I sent over a couple of weeks ago. There's also an agent checklist for getting ready for Making Tax Digital, and if you're that way inclined, there's also a poster you can print out and put up in your office. She looks happy about it. Right, what's next? And following on from the news that Iris had acquired pre-accounting tool Dext last week, Iris Accountancy MD Mark Chambers spoke to me about their plans for the future to bring the two products together to create an end-to-end process for their accounting customers, receipt to return, if you will. We also spoke about MTD and a bit about their joint investor HG as well. Speaking of HG, they also own Visma, who are one of Europe's biggest SME accounting tools, and instead of selling it on, they are looking to float it on the public markets with a potential value of 19 billion. Not bad for a 500 million acquisition. Let's head across the pond now, and millions of third-party sellers on Amazon will be able to bring their sales and inventory data into Intuit QuickBooks through a new integration. They're targeting mid-2025, starting with sellers in the US. Big implications for third-party tools and bookkeepers and accountants as well, I'd imagine. And Computer Weekly and the indefatigable Carl Flinders are still on the post office beat. Our latest is that the post office is set to buy Fujitsu's Shonky Horizon system and merge it with in-house and commercially available software. What a mess. Now, I'm sure that most of you watching will have already got your Fab Festival tickets for next year, but just in case you haven't, our early bird tickets are about to sell out, so you'd be missing out on all kinds of ridiculous perks. So before they run out, head to fab.uk and join us in Birmingham 12th and 13th of March 2025. It's just yours truly in the insights and analysis section, and first of all, I take a look at why advances in technology don't always translate into more free time for today's accountant via a story about my hamster. And with the self-assessment deadline coming up 31st of January, I also take a look at what technologies accountants are using to help lighten the load. Let's get on to some new stuff now. And this is really good from the National Centre for Cybersecurity. It is a cyber toolkit for small businesses that provides a checklist for protecting their business from cyber criminals. So as you can see, it just provides prompts for simple things you can do to avoid being on the cyber criminals hit list. Another new thing now, and Journey. So they're an agency that help vendors targeting the accounting space. They put their money where their mouth is and built their own software in the form of an AI meeting note taker for the accounting and bookkeeping community. Vinyl. Let's hope it's record breaking, eh? Just see what I've done there. Some partnership news now, and QuickBooks parent company Intuit has announced a partnership with Dutch payment firm Adyen. So this is designed to integrate Adyen's payment services into QuickBooks Online. Some news from Sage Intacct now. Sage is a mid-market cloud tool, and the latest release brings their Sage Copilot, the AI assistant, into the tool. Several other updates there as well. More Sage-related news and Quadient. So the global automation platform has announced an integration with Sage 50 for its accounts payable solution. Sticking with the partnerships, and the free agent integration bandwagon rolls on, this time with AML tool Zama. Let's head across the Baltic now to our favourite Estonian practice management tool, Uku, who've announced a new tier, their elite subscription plan, and with it 6 new apps for accounting firms. Here, Margary's made a video here. Hope it comes out. I really
Hi.
I like to think it's saying Uku. Anyway, news from Accounts Daily Down Under. Any excuse to do the accent. The Access Group has revealed its largest technology investment, Access Evo. What is Access Evo? Well, it's a new software platform for accountants focused on data security. It's announced in Melbourne. I'm not sure whether it's for their APAC customers specifically or global. Maybe someone from Access can let me know. An update from Dex Solo. So Dex, new tool for sole traders and landlords. So they've got bank rules, bank match, and a custom category list tool. Thank you everyone for watching. If you're watching on the socials, please like, subscribe or follow, and I'll be back next Wednesday with another video. Bye for now.